Welcome back. Today we're giving a fresh twist to a bridal shower invitation, using this stock template as our base. Let's start by removing the image and the existing title. We're going for a completely new vibe. Now I'll head over to the text pane and grab our new headline. Perfect! For the bride's name, I'm switching up the font for something a little more modern and elegant. Oh, quick tip. You can now use the up and down arrows on your keyboard to scroll through your font list. It's a tiny update, but super handy. Let's go with this one. I love how it looks. Next, I'm centering the text and heading to the Elements tab. Under Illustrations, I'll search for floral to match the theme. This one stands out, soft, elegant, and perfect for a bridal vibe. I'll adjust it a bit, then duplicate it and place one at the top too. Look at that, already coming together. Now I'm tweaking the layout just a little, and let's change the colors to something more on theme. This lavender shade is perfect. It pulls everything together. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've created a completely new look that's ready to list. If you found this helpful, subscribing really helps us keep sharing more. Thanks so much for watching and supporting our channel.